Welcome back, children. Today in our maths class, we will learn the concept of addition and subtraction up to 99. And in this concept, we will learn to add and subtract up to two-digit numbers without regrouping. Children, let us start our concept of addition and subtraction with an example in our real life. We will first read the example. I drive the Star School minivan. It can seat 10 children. Today, when I reached Garden Estate, there were 6 children in my minivan. 4 children boarded the bus at the Garden Estate. Is my minivan full now? Here, a driver is asking us a question that its minivan can occupy 10 children. So, when he had reached a stop, there were 6 children already sitting in it. And then he picked up 4 more children and they boarded the bus. So, he is asking us if the capacity of its minivan is 10 seaters, is the minivan full now? Yes, it is full now because 6 plus 4 gives us 10. Yes, children. So this was an example of addition here. Now let us see the next example. What is the driver trying to tell us? I am now dropping the 10 children back home. The first stop is Ayanagar, where 3 children got off. How many children are there in my minivan now? Now see, children, here the driver is asking us that if all 10 children were there in the bus and he started dropping them in their stops. So, but the first stop was Ayanagar and there 3 children got down, as you can see in the picture. After 3 children getting down from 10 children, what was the number of children in the minivan right now? So, is this the sum of subtraction or addition? Yes, when we are removing the numbers means it is subtraction. We are counting backward in it. So 10 minus 3 gives us 7. So how many children are there in my minivan now? The answer is 7 children. So, did you understand the first example? What was asked was about addition and the next one was about subtraction. It was a simple sum what we can do in our mind or on our fingers. Let us come forward and understand addition by using a number strip. Children, we have done sums on number line. Let us see how to add or count forward on a number strip or a number line. Here is an example. Numbers are written on a number strip and the sum is being asked 24 plus 3. So when we start with 24 and it is addition sum, we count forward the next number what is given. The sum is 24 plus 3. So we will count after 24 3 numbers. So let us start counting. 24, 1, 2, 3. Yes, when we jump on the strip 3 numbers, we stop our pencil on 27. So 3 counts on the number strip after 24 is 25, 26 and 27. So 24 plus 3 gives us 27. You can also add by counting forward without using a number strip. And how we can do that? Children, keep the bigger number in your mind and start counting from the next number, counting 3 on your finger. Keep 24 in your mind and 3 on your finger. Start counting, children. 25, 26, 27. Yes, the answer is 27, children. I hope you all have understood single digit addition with two-digit numbers. This is 24 plus 3. By counting forward 3 numbers, we got 27. And if we count in our mind, we keep the bigger number in our mind and count the next number on our finger. Let us move forward now, children. Here is another method how we can add two-digit number with one-digit number. Let us start. Here, whenever we arrange the numbers in vertical form, we always have to follow the rule, that is, we add ones first. The pink bar, what is given, the pink strip is given. Here, we have to add ones number. Whichever number is written in ones column, we have to add that first. Then we add the tens column. Alright, children. So the first step, this is the rule what we have to follow always when we start the sum in vertical form, children. The first step is add the ones. So the ones here are 3 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 5 ones. We write here below 2. The next step is add the tens. Here we have 2 tens plus 0 tens because nothing is written here. So 2 tens plus 0 tens is equal to 2 tens. So we get the answer 25. I hope you have understood this. Let us see it again. Whenever we write the sum in vertical form and solve, rule is we have to start adding ones first. Here in the sum, ones are 3 ones and 2 ones. When we add 3 ones plus 2 ones, we get 5 ones. And here tens is 2 tens and 0 tens. So we get 2 tens. So we got the answer 25. Yes. Now children, let us see two-digit numbers addition with children. After adding two digit plus one digit, we will look now an example of adding two digit with two-digit numbers. Let us follow the step. Whenever we have addition sum vertically or even in your mind when you're doing it, we should always start with ones first. Here we have 3 ones and 2 ones, which it gives us 5 ones. Next step is to add the tens column. Here we have 2 tens plus 1 tens, which gives us 3 tens. So, by adding the ones column, we get this 5 and then we get 3. 2 tens plus 1 ten gives us 3 tens. That way, we get the answer 35. Children, I hope you have understood the concept of addition of two digit by one digit and two digit by two digit. Let us now move. Children, let us start the subtraction by using a number strip. You can subtract by counting backward on a number strip. Here we have an example, 27 minus 3. So we start at 27. We'll count 3 numbers backward from 27 and we start by 27, 26, 25, 24. Yes, the answer is 24. You can also subtract by counting backward without using a number strip. Keep the bigger number in your mind, that is 27 in your mind, and count 3 backward. By counting backward, we get 26, 25, 24. Either of the way, we can solve the sum by counting backward. Let us move forward. We can do this by vertical formation. Here we have an example, 34 minus 2. Let us first write it in the vertical form. Here it is 34 minus 2. As we have followed the method of adding ones first, we will follow the same step in subtraction even, children. First step is subtract the ones. So we subtract 4 ones minus 2 ones will give us what? 2 ones, children. As you can see in the picture, there are 4 ones, and from that we have striked out 2 ones. So we get 2 ones. Now we subtract tens. 3 tens and 0 tens. 3 tens are there, children, and below no tens are there. So 3 will come as it is. So we get the answer 32. Let us move forward with subtraction of 2 digit from 2 digit. Here we subtract 13 from 36. We follow the same method of subtracting ones from ones and tens from tens. Let us start with ones. Here we have 6 ones. So we can see here 6 blocks of ones. From that we minus, that is we strike out 3 ones. So if you subtract 6 ones minus 3 ones will give us, yes, 3 ones. The next step is to subtract the tens. So 3 tens minus 1 10 will give you 2 tens, children. You can see in the picture that there are 3 tens blocks. From that, if you strike out 1 10, we get remaining 2 10 blocks. So we get the answer 23. Let us solve the sum again and understand it clearly. Subtraction is counting backward, children. Yes, correct. Whenever we solve the sum of 2-digit numbers, we start with ones first. Here we have 6 ones and we have to subtract 3 ones from it. So we strike out 3 blocks from it, 3 ones. So we get the answer 3. Then there are 3 tens and from that we have to take out, that means we have to subtract 1 10. So we get the answer 2 tens. We get the answer for 36 minus 13 is 23. Children, I hope you have understood the concept of addition and subtraction of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Thank you, children.